Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool right here, and basically what these are some sunglasses, and it's from this brand right here. So if you guys never heard this brand before, they actually make a lot of different sunglasses, and they definitely have like regular sunglasses or the polarized option available as well. And the one that we have right here is supposed to be polarized. So let's open up and show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is basically what the product looks like. Let's take it out. So this is basically what's included inside. So for the first small bag that we have right here, they provide you guys a little baggie that you can use to hold everything from the sunglasses and the cloth. And then on the other side right here, we do have the lens cleaning cloth. So you can definitely use that to wipe off like the sunglasses and everything. Alright, so you can definitely see that they do provide a lens wiper right here. And the other thing right here is actually a little bag. So you can definitely use it to like carry the little glasses inside if you guys want to, which is super nice and super convenient. Definitely really nice how they provide you guys this option here. But right here we have the actual sunglasses. If you guys can see, it's all nicely wrapped and everything. Let's open up and show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. And right here they do provide you guys a polarized tester, which we'll use in a second. But let's take it out first to show you guys what the sunglasses look like. Alright, so when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the sunglasses look like. So it definitely has that kind of classic vintage look to it that also looks like an Aviator as well, if you guys can see. The way how they designed the sunglasses right here, it definitely has like a double bridge design right here. If you guys look on the other side right here, they definitely have this like nose pad design right here to give you guys that comfortable feeling when you guys put it on. And definitely for these sunglasses right here, they do have the UV protection on here as well. So if you guys are outdoor in the sun a lot, you should be fine. But let's put it on and see how it feels and what it actually looks like first. Alright, so when we put it on, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So these sunglasses right here actually looks pretty nice, actually feels really comfortable as well. Both on the side right here and also the nose piece right here, it actually fits just right and super comfortable. And when we actually use this tester right here, I can definitely see everything on here, like the logo, the flowers throughout the product on the side. So we do know that sunglasses are polarized. But this is basically what the overall product looks like, if you can see. Now the unboxing and testing the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for these sunglasses right here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one of these one of these. Especially if you're trying to look for sunglasses that has like the retro or vintage kind of look to it. Or if you're trying to look for sunglasses that has like that Aviator design that's also polarized, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to want these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.